back to the home, delete all the active buttons here. All right guys, if you have a vehicle and you don't have Android Auto, this is smallest powerful AI box for your vehicle. I did multiple videos, different boxes, but this one is by far one of the best, my favorite. And here is why. I'm not gonna take your time with the connection. It's gonna be regular. Just connect to the Bluetooth. You find the AI box on the Bluetooth, connect to the Wi-Fi, and start rock and rolling. It's a very easy to connection, and as soon as you connect, it's gonna be opens up like this main menu. And as you can see in the music player here, the both connections have Wi-Fi. I'm tethering from my phone to get the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connected already, so I can make a phone calls, answer the calls, and going back and forth. This is the regular layout. You can manage. My favorite is this button right here, floating button. Is the always it's going to be there. You can delete. You can go to the back to the car, the menu, and here's all the apps you can install it. All right, as you can see, I connect the device. This is the device menu. It's a layout. It's like a built-in Android right inside. As you can see, you can install. I just installed the app here, so OBD scanner. So I'm going to connect to my OBD scanner, and I can read all the gauges on the vehicle. It's really good options, right? You can install many different apps. Also, you're going to go to the app store here, and whatever apps it's going to be installable for this device, you can install it and you can run it. So this is Android CarPlay device, but it's built in, the brain built in the system, so you can do a lot of things. You can watch the movies, videos. If you have any videos on the flash drive, as you can see right here, you can stick it to the flash drive and you can read all the videos here, right? That's another huge plus. So on the top, this is an active button right here, so you can do it always. It's going to be there, as you can see, floating the button, so you can click and you can go to the back to the home, delete all the active buttons here. So now I'm going to show you the Android Auto. As soon as I click the Android Auto, it's going to be connect to my the phone. So now I have Android Auto here. So as you can see, all the Android Auto information is here. I can run my Amazon Music, I can run the phone calls, all that stuff, and you can go to the Android Auto. Actually, you can see all the apps, whatever you give the permission for the Android Auto, it's going to be all the apps here, right? So you can just run it, map everything. It's going to be work on like an Android Auto. So on the app menu, we're going to go here and we're going to click exit. So it's going to be exit to the device, the main page. And on the main page, you can go to the YouTube, any web pages. You can do the try any search. You can watch your YouTube shorts here. So Bluetooth music, you can play the music, picking up whatever the last player I'm using. For example, this music I'm playing from Amazon Music. If I do any other the music is opened before, it's going to be pull up from there. Netflix, you can watch it. I didn't connect to Netflix yet, so on and on. You can install a bunch of the apps. Also, you can do the mirror. You can have a file explorer right here on the top. You can have files, or you can do any SD card, USB card right here, and it's going to be reading all the music, everything from there. It's nice addition for that. I like this button, floating button here. Always it's going to be there active, and a great powerful device. Size wise, this is a size, it's like a thumb drive, right? It's a little bit bigger. Also, another huge plus of this, you have the micro HDMI outputs. If you have any screen on the vehicle, like a secondary screen, I don't have the screen on my vehicle on the back, so you can feed this HDMI to that screen and you can watch all the 4K videos. Actually, it's a small device, but it is very powerful, and many things. I can talk about this device like over an hour. Most smallest I reviewed ever, most powerful device I reviewed ever, right? Aceotle Audios, they launched this, another bigger products, but it's a lot bigger than this. But this one is super small. You can take between the cars without any issues. So another great product for the price from Amazon. Hope this video helps you guys. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.